if it isn't the notorious Stormhawks.
Looks at that storm. He's got a fireball crystal.
Stormhawks, prepare for battle! Talons, attack!
On our tail. Two of them.
Leave those creeps to me! Two down, five to go. Follow me. We'll lose them in that cloud. Hide and seek. I'll play. I see you.
Whoa, tingly.
Stand by. Fire! Oh, man. No! Hey, how's it going?
What you doing, Finn?
Maintenance stuff? It's all good, girls.
Junko, got a problem here!
The crashing problem or the him problem?
Hey!
Come on, Junko. Pull up! Pull up!
With a little more training, you'd make an excellent talent. I'd rather eat dirt. That can be arranged. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Are they always this dramatic? You have no idea.
Checkmate. Want to go 2 for 2? Did you really think you could outfly me? checkmate. Next time, Stormhawk, you won't be so lucky.
Good work, soldiers! I don't know how to repay you.
Gold works for me.
Seeing Dove safe and Gale liberated is reward enough.
Oh, what a nice young man.
I think we can find something to give them, Grandpapa. Don't be cheap.
Fine. A windstone. Purest grade. Next time you face those Cyclonian swine, blow them a kiss from me. For the resistance.
For the resistance. Maybe we ought to give those two a moment alone.
Now can we go to the beach?